And it's all systems go as athletes arrive on the island for the Racers Grand Prix at the National Stadium this Saturday. Christopher Scott was at the Norman Manley International Airport this afternoon.
The athletes are ready to put on a show at the Racers Grand Prix inside the National Stadium. A slew of high-profile athletes are down to compete as they get themselves prepared for the World Championships in Budapest, Hungary later this summer. World champion Noah Lyles, who is one of the featured athletes for the meet, believes the similarity in weather conditions to his base in Florida may work in his favor.
It's nice to be in another warm place. Florida is nice and hot, so Jamaica, I guess, is the closest thing to getting to Florida weather.
The 25-year-old speedster is also excited to run in front of the Jamaican crowd.
Now, I'm not gonna lie, a little nervous. American stepping onto the Jamaican soil. When we were kids, we were very well informed about Jamaica and the crowd, so we know that they can be very enthusiastic themselves, whether it comes to cheering on or booing people. So, I prepared myself for both.
Lyles is also impressed with his times in the 100 meters and it says there's more to come in the 200, where he's the fastest American in that event.
So far, it's shaping up to be my best year yet. I've come out swinging, seen a lot of 9-second performances. The 200 is just that thing that we haven't ramped up yet, but me and my coach were making sure that our practices were really going hard for the 200, so we're ready to run fast here.
Meanwhile, National Representative Akeem Bloomfield, who is listed for the 400 meters, is expecting great things on Saturday.
To make any predictions on times, I can say that I just look forward to giving a solid performance and see where I am in my season. I opened my season with 45.5, say almost 2 months ago. So I've been training well, so as I said, it's just to see, where I'm at right now.
He will face the likes of world record holder Wade Van Niekerk, as well as national record holder Rasheen McDonald and fellow Jamaican Demish Gay. Live and exclusive coverage of the Racers Grand Prix will be on TVJ, TVJSN and OneSpotMedia.com with radio coverage on Hits 92 FM. Christopher Scott, TVJ Sports.
Thanks, Chris.